Hello Internet. In this video, I would like to share how I replace the X220 keyboard ribbon cable.
Oh no!
In my country, I can buy the ribbon cable, FPC, flexible printed circuit. Or I can buy a keyboard. Finally, I bought the ribbon cable, FPC. Firstly, remove the cover near the volume control and power button. Pull up the cover by using an appropriate tool. There are a few keyboard suppliers. My one is from Lite-On. Release the track point by removing these screws. Release the ribbon cable by removing these two screws. The connector is sandwiched between the film. Release the track point PCB by using an appropriate tool. I use the T12K soldering tip for desoldering. I used solder wick to clean the board. Here is the cleaning result. Align the track point PCB and the FPC. On the back side, there are white alignment lines. I use the T12BC2 tip for soldering. Decrease the soldering temperature. Apply some flux. Solder these 8 joint points. Here is the result after cleaning the flux. Insert the connector in between the film. Align the notch and the FPC. Put back this metal frame. The shorter side faces the top, the longer side faces the bottom. Hold the metal frame and bend the FPC. Put back this metal frame. The alignment hole is on the left side. Hold the 2 metal frames by screwing. Here is an alignment hole. Return the track point frame by these 4 screws. Put back the track point and the plastic cover. Snap the locks. In my case, the keyboard does not work if I tightly screw these 2 screws. I screw these 2 screws around 60%. The keyboard works fine. It is not so good to pull out the connector by bare hand. I recommend pulling out the connector by using an appropriate tool. Replacing the ribbon cable is cheaper than buying a keyboard. However, it is not easy for a beginner to replace the ribbon cable. Finally, this is not a problem. The connector alignment of my replacement parts is not as good as the original. The connection works fine, but just the visual impression is not good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.